My name's Cameron Buchanan and I'm a director of IDTA. I'm an educator with IDTA and also I'm involved in running the business day to day as well. Trading is brilliant because it gives you an opportunity to make money whenever you want, wherever in the world, from a computer system and access to the internet. It's not easy. You do need information and knowledge, and you do need certain mental skills as well to be able to apply. But it's a great challenge. It's a wonderful opportunity because the financial markets have millions and millions and billions of dollars, revolving through it on a daily basis. Our job is really just to wait for that opportunity when we think the market is going to move, when we can get an opportunity to make money out of that market, and we just act, decide, and go for it. It's a brilliant opportunity to make income, and you can do it on a daily basis, you can do it whenever you want. It really doesn't matter. It's just you have to be there when the markets are moving, and you just have to apply your strategy into the market. And I believe it's really important to be consistent with your trading. You need to be able to, first of all, know your market. You need to be able to know consistently what day and what time you're going to be trading, because there's certain patterns and rhythms the way the market moves. So we generally say the open of the market is one of the best times to trade. I think initially for people when they're starting out is that you don't want to just burn your boats and just go straight into it hell for leather and just quit your job and just put all your money into a trading account. And that's more like a gamble, right? It's something you have to build up to. You have to build your knowledge, you have to build your experience, you have to build your mental skills and your trading skills. And then you can do that all for free. You can do that all for in simulation. Then when you've achieved those goals and you're confident enough with what you've achieved in simulation, then you just apply those same strategies live. I think that's one thing that I really loved about day trading, is because you do have an edge over a lot of other bigger traders in the market. You can time your days you trade, you can time the sessions you trade, you can schedule, right, I'm gonna trade this particular market at this particular time, and you can just block that hour or 2 hours out and just focus on that time. You don't have to be sitting on the computer for 7-8 hours a day like a lot of people do in their jobs. We can just go in when like I said, when the money is really flowing at the open of the day or a particular time of the day when there's other markets that are opening around the world. You just hone in on that particular session and you become really good at it. The addiction comes from being better. Like, it's challenging. Like, you want to be the best you can be and you want to be as profitable as you can be. So that's where the addiction comes from, is that it's fun. It is a game. At the end of the day, it is a game. You're trying to outwit all the other traders in the market and you're trying to make as much money as you can in a small amount of time. So that's where the challenge is that you're trying to outsmart the market, you're trying to outsmart other traders, and that's where the big buzz comes from. However, the money that you can make in that short amount of time is ultimately why we do it. It's a leverage, it's a powerful tool to have.